Nagtataka, nababaliw, nalilito at hindi makapaniwala ang coach ng Thailand kung ano ang nangyayari dahil ang Thailand hindi maka-score sa laban. 30 plus points na ang Pilipinas, ang Thailand wala pang score. Pero paano nila ito nagawa? Ang diabolical lead no mercy game dahil sa ganda ng kanilang depensa. Balikan natin.
In white, Thailand in dark blue. First possession goes to Thailand. Strong, Caballero on the break all the way for the first 2 points. So the Halyare swings it. Carino spots up for 3. That's good. Quickly to the other side. Pull out. Halyare has some space and he knocks down the triple. I just mentioned it. Backcourt pressure stolen away by Caballero. And the easiest 2 points of the game so far. Again, Caballero with those quick hands. Cholo Pascual all the way ends up with Thailand. Back to the Philippines. Halyare finds Carino for the 2. And they will slow things down. No, they don't. They go inside to De Los Reyes. Goes to his left. Jumper is good and pure.
Jumper right there.
And another takeaway. And another basket.
Thailand's got a sell
And another assist.
to do right there off the bench.
Tanchi, floater. That drops. Special Thailand. Tanchi ahead of the pack. And
Yes,
scores the
sir.
2 plus the foul. Inside they go. Second try. It drops and keeps possession. This time they give the ball away. Tanchi
Nice
has
pass.
teammates De Los Reyes. 36-1 scoreline right now, and finally something dropping. Get a stop on the past couple of possessions. So it's the conversion.
Good defense without fouling there for Antolin.
2-man game. Caballero back to him from Halyare. Whoa. Oh, what a shot. 40 points now for Gilas Youth. A lay-in for
Our shot blocker there, and Caballero continues.
at defensive side. And another steal. Caballero on the break. Goes up for 2 as no challenge there for
Force maintaining, as we see a great drive.
Philippines. Pascual with the 2 points.
Nice pass.
Left wing 3.
Yes, sir.
High arcing shot. It drops.
Nice pass right there.
And the finish. Fresh 14 to work with. All day and makes them pay. Willeroj has some space and he knocks down the 3. Olo. Down low. One-hander drops for Antolin. 3-pointer off the glass and in. Kulapat.
For the Philippines, no need for that. And David turns it over again.
No, he was looking ahead, but Cruz was ready for the takeaway and the finish.
He can improve.
And she is from as well. I think he also played baseball back then, right?
These guys are so well-rounded, multiple sports, and nice pass there by East. Pass again.
Ooh, all the way for the basket line there. With terms of the points scored, it's really been a better past 2 quarters for Thailand. Oh, nice fake and a floater that drops for Kau Kulapat. Miranda misses. De Los Reyes with the putback.
And how fun is it?
Gilas is taking too many risks. Yun ang sinabi ng kanilang coaching staff instructed.
Carino seeing more action and getting more points. A go-ahead pass to Travis Pascual for 2. Corner 3 is good. Carino with a fake pass. Goes inside.
Wow.
What a move. Moves on to college as we see him again score 2 points. Will keep again to Carino. Short. De Los Reyes with a cleanup. It looks like some more players are waiting in the wings. They want Carino to score, and he does so. On their way to their second win of the tournament as Cruz all net on that. Although I think baka may mga changes na rin sa names, di ba? Nag-iiba kasi yung names ng tournament.